Hello everyone,
We are Team Ecoders.
and our project focuses on enabling individuals to monitor, understand, and reduce their daily carbon footprint. So, the problem we identified is that most people are unaware about the environmental impact of their daily actions, such as the travel, food habits, electricity uses, and waste generation. So, without this visibility or guidance, sustainable change becomes difficult. So, the solution, Carbonel, is a digital platform that provides the carbon tracking, AI based recommendations, educational content, gamification, and community engagement, all in one user experience. So, in this video, I'll walk through our working prototype step by step and demonstrate how it addresses the given problem statement. So the moment you launch the app, you're welcome with this clean and visually calm onboarding experience. So let me swipe through the screens. So here it tells you how Carbonel helps you to track your daily emissions. This one highlights the eco insights to help you to take the better decisions and so on. Each screen is intentionally short and straight to point so that you will never feel overwhelmed as a new user. Just tap get started. So this is the login screen. If you're already a user, you can just quickly sign in, but if you're new, just simply create an account in seconds. So we kept the process extremely lightweight. Just tap sign up, enter your name, the mail, and the password. Just click on create account. So the account is created and it will be directed you to the dashboard, that is the core of the Carbonel experience. So here's where you get your daily carbon score. We break it down into familiar categories like the transport, the energy, and the food. So let me pause here so you can see the icons, the color patterns, and how it is easy to understand your impact at a glance. So now let's move to the carbon calculator, the powerhouse of the app. This is where you log your daily activities, whether it could be travel distance, the food, the type of the meal you ate, or your electricity uses, or even simple things like the plastic waste or recycling. So let me quickly enter an activity under the transport section, car with diesel and 15 kilometer as the distance, and calculate the emission. So you'll see the carbon emissions and the quick recommendations and the tips. You'll also get a notification over here. For the same distance, if I use the electric car, the emissions will get changed. Same goes for the electricity uses. If I'm entering 4 kilowatt and will calculate the emission, it will also give some recommendations for the same, and for the food and the number of servings as one, and will calculate the emissions. So the carbon emissions will get updated as soon as the type gets changed. So behind the scenes, we use the standard emission factors to convert all these life activities into accurate carbon dioxide equivalent values. So, but you don't see any of that complexity. You just get a clean, intuitive number. So this helps you to understand your patterns and make better choices. So now the history section. So this section is where the real awareness starts. History and progress shows your weekly and monthly emission trends. So you can clearly see which days had higher emissions and which days were better. Under the monthly view also you can see which days or the travel, which weeks you travel more, or your electricity usage spikes during certain weeks. So knowing this helps you to plan smarter choices in the future. So these visuals, they just don't show the data, they show improvement, the consistency and habits forming over time. So under the learn and explore section, there's an eco coach. So this is like your personal eco coach. Based on your daily logs, Carbonel gives you small personalized suggestions, not huge lifestyle changes, but simple, which achievable habits. For example, there are some quick questions. Let me tap on one suggestion for details. So here you can see the exact action you can take and how much carbon you will save if you follow it. So these suggestions, they're designed to be realistic, not overwhelming, so users actually enjoy following them. Under the same section, there's a mini learning hub inside the app. So not everyone wants to read the long articles, so we created a bit-sized learning cards with simple facts, tips and helpful info about the sustainability. It's readable, short and visually clean. Users, they can explore different topics, energy saving tips, climate change facts, etc. Here is also a quick insight that how we calculated the carbon dioxide emissions for different categories, and these are quick tips for the greener life. Here's also a small quiz to test your knowledge. Then, to keep things fun and engaging, we added a gamified section, that is the leaderboard and challenges part. Here users, they can see how they rank in the community based on their eco performance. Higher reductions means higher scores. So we also have different challenges, that is the green computer challenge, the energy saver challenge, etc., where you can add your progress here. And finally we have the profile section. So this is the profile section, your personal space. Your profile, it beautifully displays your achievements, the challenges, and you can also have your preferences, and under units you can change the language preferred, and you can also update these details and customize the app to fit your lifestyle. You can also export your data under the CSV file. So it's simple but impactful. To conclude, Carbonell is not just a carbon calculator, it is a complete ecosystem encouraging measurable climate action through tracking, education, AI guidance, gamification, and the community support. So by simplifying the carbon awareness and empowering people with actionable steps, a solution directly addresses the challenge of the sustainable individual behavior. And that completes our walkthrough of the Carbonell. So now it's your turn. Explore your carbon footprint, discover what habits matter, and see how small changes can create a big impact over time. Thank you so much for watching this video.